Hi, I'm Jeff Weekley. Welcome to another episode of Why Pay More, the show that helps you find ways to save money and make money. And the most important half of the team, Tom's behind the lens. And speaking of halves, today we're going to look at BOGOs. Not necessarily where you're having to buy one item just to get another one free, but we're going to look for items that are at least 50% off. And we want you to come along with us for the adventure. So you ready to head out, Tom?
Let's go.
Let's go. After all, Tom and I learned a long time ago, when it comes to deals, you've just got to take a chance. And so we saw this vintage saddle in here, and we looked it up online. With shipping, it comes out to about $300 on eBay, or it just became the 14th today. You can have it here for $75. I just have 3 words for you. I pay more. So we stopped by Lucky Day, and today everything's 50% off. So going with the spirit of our BOGO day, let's see what we can find in here. After you, my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
I mean, you yell barracuda, people go, huh? What? You yell shark. We got a panic on our hands on the 4th of July.
Tom, I found you a deal over here. If Andy and Barney need any help, and you want to go ahead and trick out your PT Cruiser so you can help them, you know, pursue jaywalkers and other kinds of dangerous people, we can get you a real police light bar for about $200.
Oh, that looks promising.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it's a Dodge Ram.
So that's going to be $25.
Oh, I'm going to take that without a doubt.
Yeah, that's genuine part.
Yeah, I see no issues with it at all.
We're going to scan this in a little bit, folks, and show you what it's selling for online. But yeah, $25. That's going home. And even our good friend Jethro Bodine can work with this. You know, one of the first jobs he ever had was being a price check clerk, and everything's a dollar store. How much is Jethro? It's $1. But at any rate, get the math figured out for you. So as you can see, if it says it's $1, it's going to be 50 cents. So there you go. Anyway,
Wait a minute, is that the same as a $half?
Or $half or 50 cents, whichever you prefer. They'll give you the option to do it either way.
Oh, okay. I get you.
Oh God. At any rate, we're going to see what kind of deals we can have, because like I say, everything on this shelf and everything on these tables, if you want to swing around here and show them, my friend, this is all going to be half off because they've all got red stickers on them. So we'll sort through here and see what we can find. And we even found some groceries that way. Here's a box of corn flakes. Looks like it's going to actually, these won't expire for another 6 months, but they said anything with the tags on it was 50% off. And in the spirit of things, here's an 18-ounce box of Kellogg's Corn Flakes. $2.50 is the regular price. So for $1.25, you can get over a pound of corn flakes. That's pretty good buying power, I think. What do you think, Tom?
I agree, buddy. Let's see that price again. Yeah.
So yeah, be a $1.25. It's half off.
Can't beat that.
Don't pay more. Sometimes you get more than you bargain for. Let me give you an example. We were talking about things that were 50% off or better on today's show, and green border tags 90% off, which means that this Marvel Comics swim vest, which would normally be around $20, they had on special for $12, is now $1.20. $1.20. Why pay more? Well, and as Tom said, that store just about paid us to take the merchandise out today. And I did find something in the 50% shelf that I thought you'd get a kick out of, folks. This is Cuisinart's, kitchen towel set, and somebody after my own heart. You know, steaks, you get them well done, medium rare, or my preference, at any rate, they're normally about $15. They had them in there today for $6.50, but half off, so $3.25. I got a nice little kitchen towel set. One of the questions that a couple of our viewers had asked us, and this is a great question. First off, I hope and pray that all of you have a best friend like I do with Tom that you can go out and travel and share adventures with and savings with as well. But a lot of them ask us, you guys buy so much stuff sometimes, how do you keep it? How do you keep your stuff apart and know whose is whose? Well, Tom had this wonderful idea. We, before I forget about this, we went to the bakery thrift store today, and I just wanted to show you that these donuts that are normally $3.49 a bag, they had them on special today for 50 cents a piece. So, and they're in date. They're perfectly fine. They're just getting near, and like our friend in the store told us, that she'd rather get rid of all of them today. But what Tom started doing a long time back when we started traveling around was he would take all of his bags and tie a knot in the top, so that at the end of the day, when we had 20 or 30 bags, or I know we had what, almost 2 carloads of stuff one time, didn't we?
Yep.
And it was easy to sort through because we just looked for the knots in the tops of the bags. So at any rate, I hope this helps some of you folks. It's just easier for us to separate it out, and as you can see, we have a great time and enjoy the savings. Why pay more? And today we're at Fresh Market, a place that Tom and I love to go to. They have great fresh food. They also have great deals, and they have a lot of BOGOs. And if they, if it's not a BOGO, a lot of times they've got tremendous discounts. But just like yesterday, I got 4 pounds of bacon for like $16, $17, and they actually brought it out to my car. Try and get $4 a pound bacon at your local grocery store right now. I bet you can't, or if you do, it'd be a rarity to say the least. Now today, they've actually got ground chuck for $3.99 a pound. It's not quite BOGO, but it's close to 50% off because it's normally about $6 a pound. So, Tom, what do you say we go in here and load up?
Let's do it, buddy.
You got it. I want to thank you for joining us for today's show. If you like our shows, and if you have a heart, or even if you have only half a heart, considering we were doing BOGO shows today, please take a second to like, share, and subscribe. At any rate, as promised, we were going to show you the math on this. Like I say, he got this for $25 because it was half off of that price. And we looked it up online to find the cheapest one we could find. And as you can see right here, the cheapest one we found was $400 plus $100 shipping. So, you make the call. I think that's way over BOGO, don't you, Tom?
Absolutely.
And one other thing too that I got this for myself, was this Presto Cool Daddy Cool Touch fryer, and these retail for about $119, I think was what we found online. It's new in box, it's never been opened, and they had it marked $50, but half off, so I got a $120 brand new fryer in box for $25. So there you go. It shows that BOGO means BOGO. We found tremendous deals today, and we hope that you found ways to do the same. And on behalf of my dear friend Tom Buckner, this is Jeff Weekley. Why pay more? Or why even pay half?